contrary to popular belief, exhibiting what many people consider as bad behaviors, can unexpectedly make people love and respect you, even to the point of being obsessed with you. Here are 7 despicable traits that can surprisingly make you a hero in their eyes. 1. Fighting back. Believe it or not, fighting back in a non-violent, but assertive way can earn the respect and admiration of everyone. It shows you're not afraid to stand up and fight for what you believe in. People will gravitate towards you, knowing that you are not easily pushed aside and can defend them when necessary. 2. Making embarrassing mistakes. Making embarrassing mistakes, and laughing at them, is a surefire way to win the hearts of people. It shows humility and confidence to recognize your own flaws, which makes everyone love you even more. Nobody likes big ego perfectionists who try their best to hide their imperfections or pretend it didn't happen. By running away from humiliating situations instead of owning up to their mistakes, these fake confident people just turn everyone off. 3. Gossiping. Gossiping will make people dislike you if you talk about things that meddle in their business or personal life, especially in a malicious sense. But one type of gossiping will make them love you to bits. It's called positive gossiping, where you spread good things or news about the person, such as what you like or admire about them, their achievements that you're proud of, or how much you appreciate their kindness. Once your positive gossip reaches the recipient, your likability increases 1,000-fold in their eyes. And you'll be seen as a trustworthy person with a pure heart. 4. Being a person of few words. We're not referring to being cold, unfriendly, or snobbish. It's about talking only when you have something valuable or worthwhile to say, and not talking just for the sake of wanting to say something. In today's hectic world, busy people appreciate having quality, direct-to-the-point conversation that saves them time. Long chit-chats may have their place, depending on people's schedule or availability, but the quality of the communication is still more important than the quantity. What's more, being a person of few words gives you a mysterious persona, a characteristic that is irresistibly magnetic. 5. Vanity. Some people think that taking good care of yourself, and being proud of it, is selfish and egotistical. But the opposite is true. You can only love and serve others if you're able to care for yourself first. By practicing self-care, you can get in that good-feeling state where you can spread that love to others. In the process, they will reciprocate that love and kindness back to you. 6. Being a bad boy or girl. People are more attracted to a bad boy or girl than their nicer counterparts. We're referring to the rebellious, risky, or bold types, even those who dare to do things that are considered forbidden. But why are we drawn to such people? Well, for one, we all have some hidden desires that we're unable to fulfill due to cultural or societal pressure. So we're subconsciously attracted to those who are living out our wildest dreams. Another reason is that the more we can't have something, or someone, the more we desire them. It's the law of scarcity at work. 7. Not caring what others think. People pleasers do anything to be validated and be seen in a good light. But all they're doing is making themselves vulnerable to others who might take advantage or abuse their weakness. By not caring what other people think, you free yourself up from their expectations. You're also seen as more authentic and independent, and these are qualities that build respect and admiration. If you like or benefited from this video, then I highly recommend you watch this next to discover the 7 likable traits that can make people dislike you.